to copy Google Sheet to another sheet. This video will show you all the different variations of what you could possibly want to do within Google Sheets. So the first one is going to be trying to copy it within its own Google Sheets file. So here you want to right click at the bottom where you see the tab for the spreadsheet that you have open. There, if you right click and then click duplicate, you can go ahead and make a copy of that sheet. You can go ahead and highlight the specific table or a bunch of text. Then you can just click copy, then you can paste it in all these different formats here with the conditional formatting, all the different types of things you could do within there. You can see all the different paste special options, or you could just do a regular paste. Also, you can go ahead, right click down there again, and then copy to new spreadsheet. So you can create another one there. You can click open spreadsheet, and then you have a new file created there. You can go ahead and name that, etc. Also, you can go ahead and do that to an existing spreadsheet by right-clicking the bottom part again, then click existing spreadsheet, and there you can go ahead and click one of the files that you have already created. So for instance, you can see on another tab I have spreadsheet 2. You can go ahead and copy that there. So those are all the different possible variations. Leave a like on the video if it helped, subscribe for more helpful videos.